Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, USB adapter, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors, tire pressure monitor. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.